on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
You can't tell me this is not the coolest package you've ever seen. It's so huge. Y'all know I have a weird ass obsession with my hair, like repairing my hair has been one of those things that I've been doing for like a few years now. And I'm so excited to be partnering with Garnier because they launched the new groundbreaking hair fillers. And so they sent me some of the goodies. Hair fillers, y'all. Y'all, I'm broke, so anything that I can do that doesn't involve me going to a hair salon to get my hair done, you know, the proper way, I'm down for it. So I have the shampoo, conditioner, the moisture repair serum, and the gel, and I also have the treatment. And yeah, so we're gonna try all of these goodies while I tell you guys more about the new launch. Let's go. This is what we're working with. Yeah, let's go. Okay, y'all, step one, we gotta go in with the inner fiber repair treatment. It's supposed to repair and straighten broken bones deep in the cortex hair fiber inner layer, and it's supposed to strong, smooth, and soft and healthy looking hair. So you have to do it on wet hair. So this is why my hair is wet. I'm gonna put this treatment in my hair section by section. And you guys already know this smells so good. Garnier's products always smells amazing. That's amazing. I like to focus any repair on my ends because my ends be the one thing that be so damaged. So I focus a lot of the products mostly on my ends. Okay, I have one side done. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, I'm gonna leave it in for 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to rinse the repair out of my hair. And then I'm going in with the shampoo. This shampoo have hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and repair care complex. That is very good for curly hair and wavy hair because it bring in moisture into your hair. They also sent me the scalp massager, so I am doing that also in the shampoo step. So the shampoo repairs and straightens broken bones deep in the cortex hair fiber inner layer. And it locks up to 15 times more moisture than regular shampoo. And this is my hair. It looks really good after the shampoo. I'm not even going too front with y'all. And you guys can see how moisturizing my hair looks. And the conditioner, this conditioner smells really nice. I'm so obsessed with the scent. My hair was just giving what it's supposed to give. This conditioner is also made with hyaluronic acid and citric acid to repair your hair. Like if you have curly and wavy hair, this is for you. And this is how my hair was looking with the conditioner. It was very bouncy, and it was just giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so rinsing that out. Obviously, y'all, after that my hair felt very moisturizing, and also the volume was actually really amazing. I'm not going to lie about that. So I'm very obsessed with these products. This is my hair after the conditioner. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair fresh out of the shower. Here's the one thing, the volume is insane. My hair feels very light, but the thing is, it's very frizzy. My hair is very frizzy, which is why all the volume, I'm pretty sure. But it feels very light. So I am gonna go with the hair filter moisture repair. My hair is a little damp, so you're supposed to do it on damp hair or dry hair. I'm gonna do it section by section with my hair, mostly because my hair is big right now. So just to be a little cautious, we're gonna do it section by section. This is like a very gel consistency. It's not bad. So this is step 4. This is the moisture repair serum. Putting this in my hair, I feel all the moisture coming back in my hair, and all my curls are coming back. Okay, this is definitely get the hydration back into my hair. It smells so good. My hair smells so good right now. It's insane. Okay, looks really nice. I'm gonna do the other eyes. Look at how like my hair looks so big, even when it's curly right now. Okay, this is my hair with all the moisture repair serum. This is what like literally brings everything, all the curls in together. I think it really just brings everything and locks all the moisture in my opinion. Period. Okay, so this is my hair with everything. It's still wet. I really like the way it's looking so far. It's giving. Yeah. I will let it air dry and then I'll be right back. This is how my hair looks right now. Oh my god. The curls, the definition, the volume, everything is just giving rich and expensive. It's giving body. It's giving that bitch. My hair has never felt like that before. Like I cannot explain it, but I like it. I like it. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. These products are going to be my go-to. My go-to. My go-to. Look at the curls, y'all. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video, and leave me a comment down below what you guys think of these products, because I think my curls like it. And if you guys are going to order, leave a comment down below on and tell me how you guys like the products, because for me they are 10 out of 10, but everybody's hair is different, so you guys can tell me your thoughts in the comments if you end up trying them out. Anyways, y'all, check out my latest video. It'll be right here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.